Good morning, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this very nice and clean, straight 1975 BMW 2002. This is original color, or in a repaint. Good condition car, it's dry, minimal corrosion, original wheels. Trim is pretty straight, a couple boo-boos, but overall the car is really quite nice. It drives, mechanically it drives very well. New seats, new seat covers and new cushions in front. Looks like the dashboard is new. Newer carpets. Car drives out really good, clutch is good, windows are good. Typical 2002 BMW, the door panels are flopping at the bottom. Easily fixed. The back, it's nice. The headliner is okay in front, but it's frayed in back. Right there. It's original headliner in front, it's in nice shape. But I can't overemphasize, the car's really clean underneath as well as on top. Original jack. I've got photos online pulling these wood panels. It's solid underneath. Straight car, a few dings, nothing terrible. I'll show you the engine compartment. What I like about this car is it runs really well, drives really well. It's stock, unmodified. So it has all original fuse panels, overflow, recent oil change. Here's the serial number here. Also, it's there. Nice overall condition, an original car. I have a lot of photos also of the car underneath online, and it's as clean underneath as it is on top. It's certainly not perfect, 45, 50-year-old car, but it's a solid car. I think that's the serial number there as well. So inside's in nice shape, other than that headliner. So it has choke over here, though I've never had to choke it. It's so moderate temperature here. So it's a 4-speed. Clutch is very smooth. See, the carpeting's real nice. Seat's nice. So let's see. Wipers work. We'll test the turn signals when we come back. So 4-speed. No lights on the dash. Tach works, speedo works, gas gauge works. I just put in 3/4 of a tank. Drives out really nice. I've driven this quite a bit lately, and I've been impressed. Shifts nicely. Drives out good. It's a little cold right now because I just started it up. It drives out nice. Shifts good. The synchros are good. Brakes are good. No pull. Nice pedal. The pedal's up toward the top. So the gauges work. Whoa. the speedometer's off a little. I would guess I'm going 55 miles an hour. It says 70. So we're going to do a U-turn down here. Turn the blinker on. Stops nice and straight. So we'll wait for traffic to clear. Drives out nice. Goes down the road absolutely straight as an arrow. Drives out really nice, really smooth, really straight. Track straight, it's quiet. Very impressed. I've driven this car back and forth from home a few times and around town, and it's really easy starting, easy driving. Easy peasy. So we'll turn in up here. Very comfortable car driving as well. So we're gonna turn in right here, see if we can do, if you look in the mirror ahead of us. So lights work. See if I can find where the high beam is. Can't remember. Okay, well, let's try blinkers. That's the wipers. Let's try the blinkers. Turn signals, we're gonna have to figure out. They don't show like they're working right now. So that's it. Here, I'll turn off the lights. Yeah, lights work. Turn signals are challenged right now. Wipers work. Let me know if you have any questions or concern. Let's review 1975 BMW 2002. It's a California title, clean title, smog exempt. No smoke. No fuss, no muss. Thanks very much.